Looking for a show-stopping dinner idea that's as fun as it is delicious? Perfect for family dinners, parties, or meal prep. Quick, easy, and guaranteed to impress. Watch now and learn how to make your new favourite dinner recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative meals. Try this chicken fajita cake. Layers of juicy chicken, sautéed peppers and onions, gooey cheese, come together in one epic, savoury stack, baked to perfection. It's a fajita fiesta party in every slice. Cook for, you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents chicken fajita cake. Step 1. Marination. Take 350 grams boneless chicken, cut into small cubes. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon paprika or red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 1 tablespoon chicken fajita or tandoori masala. Add 2 heaped tablespoons curd. Squeeze some lemon. Add 1 tablespoon oil in it. Combine well. Let it marinate for 1 hour. Step 2. Let's make sauce. Take 1/2 cup tomato ketchup. Add 1 tablespoon Szechuan chutney in it. Add 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Combine well. Keep it aside, we will use it later. Step 3. Let's make fajita stuffing. Heat up the pan and add some oil. One teaspoon cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add marinated chicken pieces. Fry well. Cook 6 to 7 minutes over medium heat. Sauté well. Stir frequently to prevent sticking and even cooking. It will release water. Do not add additional water. Dries out the water completely. One large onion chopped. Half capsicum chopped or sliced. 1 tomato chopped. 1 tablespoon boiled sweet corn kernels. 1 green chilli chopped. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. It's totally optional. 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Salt to taste. Sauté well. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Half teaspoon Szechuan chutney. Half teaspoon soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon chili sauce. Combine well. Our chicken fajita stuffing is ready. Remove it in a bowl. Add a handful of coriander leaves. Incorporate well. Combined well, keep it aside. Step 4. Flatten the breads. Take bread slice. Remove the sides. Flatten with the help of a rolling pin. Repeat the same procedure for all breads. Step 5. Assembling. Take airfryer safe tin, spray some oil. Spread with the help of a brush. Now, it's time to assemble all the layers. Arrange bread slices. Press down firmly. Spread the sauce that we've made earlier. Spread evenly. Put chicken fajita, stuffing that we've prepared earlier. mozzarella cheese. Assemble all the layers. Again, layer it flattened bread. Cover the whole tin. Press down with the help of the spoon back. Press it. Reapply the sauce. Spread out evenly. Fajita stuffing. Spread out well. Repeat all the layerings. Add mozzarella cheese. Make sure to cover all sides with cheese. On top, sprinkle some oregano. Some chili flakes. Some boiled sweet corn kernels. Add some chopped capsicum. You can also add jalapenos or olives. Sprinkle pinch of salt. You can also pour the beaten egg over it. Step 6. It's baking time. Place the tin into the air fryer basket. Pop them in. Turn on the air fryer. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or until cheese melts. I recommend checking halfway through and inspecting to avoid burning. Baking time may vary depending on type and size of the air fryers. You can also bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Our cheesy, super delicious cake is ready to enjoy. It's not sweet, but it's savoury. You must have eaten a lot of cakes. Do try this chicken cake once, then you will ask for this cake every time. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Cut into desired pieces and enjoy. Simply follow the steps and you'll achieve this cake. You have to try it and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Serve hot. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.